Hi everyone. Do you want to get unlimited, free Sora 2 invite codes and create unlimited accounts? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method, step by step. No waiting, no nonsense. Let's go. Okay, first things first. Open your favorite browser and create a brand new profile. I'm doing it right here. This is a very important step for creating unlimited accounts. Next, we need to add a VPN extension. This is essential. I'm searching for Browsec VPN, Browsec. It's fast, simple, and free. Go ahead and install it. After it's installed, click the icon and connect it to the USA. This step is crucial, so don't skip it. Make sure it says, connected to USA. Great. Now that our VPN is on, go to sora.chatgpt.com. Once the site loads, click Login, and then click on Sign Up. Now, you'll see it asks for an email. For our unlimited accounts method, we are not going to use our real email. Open a new tab and go to temp-mail.org. This site gives you a free, disposable email address. Just copy the email it gives you, go back to the Sora sign up page, and paste it in. And here we are. It needs an invite code. Now, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get one. Some people will tell you to do a complicated trick in an incognito window, but that just puts you in a line. You want the code fast, right? Here is the twist. Close those other windows, go to YouTube, and in the search bar, type my YouTube channel at asadaiworld. That's asadaiworld. Click on my channel, and then go straight to the Posts tab. And here we are. Look, right now I have 2 invite codes posted. These codes are good for 10 invitations each, so that's 10 accounts that can be made right now. So, just copy one of these codes from my post, go back to the Sora tab, paste in the code, and hit Submit. You can now use this exact method, a new browser profile, a new temp mail, and a new code, to create unlimited accounts. I will be uploading more invite codes to my Posts tab today and every day, so to make sure you get them first, you need to do 3 things. 1. Subscribe to this channel, at asadaiworld, and hit that notification bell. 2. Like this video so I know you want more codes. 3. And comment "Done" down below when you successfully get in. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.